everyone, we are here at a Sinclair gas station in Ogden, Utah, and I believe they have a Ryko Monarch. No, actually, I know that they have a Ryko Monarch, and for the past few days it's been broken, but now it looks like it's working, which is super exciting. So I'm gonna walk through it, and then we'll go through it. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, let's walk through it. Here's your pay station. It's a AMTT coin box. Here's your wash options. There's that right there. Here's the machine. It's got a pictogram. There's an undercarriage wash. Here's your spray arm. Dryers. Here's your in-bay pumps. There's a treadle. There's the CMD. I'm going to open this exit door. I wonder what this used to be, because there's clearly bolt marks here. So, yeah, it's a mystery, but yeah, you can see old treadle plate there. So, yeah, now let's go through it. This door does not want to stay open. Interesting how it's only using those side manifolds for the foam bath. It's really annoying how it likes to close it. It's weird. This thing's very weird, but very cool. So, if possible, we're gonna do an inside view now. Try not to get hit by the car. Or run over. But yeah, there it is. Okay, here it is. 70829.
7 0 8 2 9. Thank you. Please drive into the wash slowly and stop when the stop sign lights up.
Right, let's go.
An installation date here of
Wow.
February 97.
Wow, so this is a 97 Monarch. I'm not really gonna give this wash a rating because it's really only good for enthusiasts. Although, if you have light, you know what? Yeah, we had salt on our car, and it's all gone now, so yeah, it's a pretty good wash. Okay. Do you want to put it in reverse?
No.
Sorry, I meant park.
No.
Fine.
So keep the camera going.
Yeah. Okay, then. Something interesting about this wash is that it doesn't use the arch to apply the foam bath.
Oh.
And instead uses the side manifolds.
Huh.
Oh, this is the pre-soak, it says up there. It's kind of like a strobe, but it does say pre-soak.
Nice.
CMD says applying pre-soak.
Did you want me to windshield wipe anything?
Yeah, sure.
This thing is crazy.
Yeah, crazy cool.
Never seen this.
Those are the rocker panel blasters.
Okay.
It says side panel blast.
Yeah, and it's underbody wash right now.
I don't see anything lighting up. Oh, it says, look at that, tire blaster. Look at that. It's pretty cool. I found that on my CMD. It's one of the, I believe it's one of the undiscovered ones.
Oh. You mean undiscovered code?
No, like undiscovered. I believe that this machine was Ryko's answer to the Laser Wash 4000.
Oh.
But yeah, high impact, you can really feel it.
Oh yeah. It sounds like it's being. It sounds like it's flashing the time and we're gonna go out again.
Something pretty funny.
That right there sounds like it's beating the crap out of the car, but it's not.
It's not. It's just smacking itself.
Is it?
It is, yeah.
Oh.
It also sprays off the slimline dryers whenever it turns. Oh, clear coat. 0 clear coat. I guess we're getting 0 clear coat.
No, we're getting a clear coat.
I know. It's,
Okay.
oh, spot free rinse now. Ooh, that stuff smells good.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, just like last time, you know that has onboard dryers.
Yeah.
Speaking of onboard dryers, these things are pretty effective.
They really are. For 97 especially.
Well, everything was better back in 97.
Oh, no.
That's what they say.
You weren't around, you don't know.
Someone put an Apple sticker there. It's the dryers are so powerful that it's actually shaking the car.
Yeah.
That right there is what the arm was getting hung up on, and that's what that banging noise that you heard was when it was turning around.
Okay. I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's nothing big.
No.
Let's see. Oh, it doesn't have a dryer cycle on the pictogram, so. Alright then. For an inverted L-arm machine, that is a quick wash.
Yes.
Wash complete, please exit. Thank you for your business, is what it would have said if you.
It doesn't come down on me.
It's not.
Yeah, well. Okay then.
So, yeah, that's the car wash. What did you think?
It was definitely old and definitely unique.
And definitely interesting.
Yeah.
I'd say that's a pretty good value though, because that was only like $5.
It was $5, yeah. And honestly, when I realized it wasn't hitting our car and making that noise, I was fine.
Yeah.
So yeah, I would, I don't know.
I'd rate that a 6 out of 10, honestly. That's better than some modern washes.
That is true. That is for sure.
So yeah, that is the Ryko Monarch at the Sinclair in Ogden, Utah. I would recommend this wash, whether you're an enthusiast or just looking for a cheap, quick wash in and out.
Yep.
So yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.